Dear student, today I am going to discuss about the next chapter, arithmetic progression. First of all, we will discuss about the arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term, except the first term. Second main point is the fixed term is called the common difference of these of the AP. It can be positive, negative, or zero. If A is the first term and D is the common difference of an AP, then the series of AP can be written as A, comma A plus D, comma A plus 2D, comma A plus 3D. The nth term of an AP is denoted by formula AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where is the first term and D is common difference and the number of terms. Now again I want to discuss another formula. Nth term from the int is equal to L minus ब्रैकेट में n minus 1 into D, where L is the last term. Now we will discuss about the question number 2, exercise 5.1. Question number 2, write the first 4 terms of the AP. A is first term and D is common difference. First part is here, A equal to 10, D is equal to 10. Second question, A equal to minus 2, D is equal to 0. Third question, A equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. Fourth part is here, A equal to minus 1, D is equal to 1 upon 2. Solution of this question, first part is here, A given A equal to 10, D is equal to 10, A1 equal to A equal to 10. A2 will be A1 plus D, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. A3 will be A2 plus D. A2 is here 20 and D is 10. This will be equal to 30. A4 equal to A3 plus D. So A3 equal to 30 and D is equal to 10 is equal to 40. In this way, A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 is here 40 and D is 10. This equal to 50. Therefore, the series will be 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now, second part is here given A equal to minus 2, D is equal to 0. Let the series be A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. A1 is equal to here minus 2. A2 is equal to minus 2 plus 0. Minus 2. A3 is equal to A2 plus 0. A2 is equal to minus 2 plus 0. Minus 2. A4 is equal to A3 plus 0. A3 is here minus 2 and common difference is 0. This will equal to minus 2. First 4 terms of this AP will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. Now another question, third part. A is equal to 4, D is equal to 3. Let the series will be A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 is equal to 4, A2 is equal to A1 plus D. So 4 plus D is here minus 3 equal to 1. And A3 is equal to A2 plus D, 1 plus minus 3 equal to minus 2. A4 is equal to A3 plus D equal to minus 2 plus minus 3 equal to minus 5. First 4 terms of this AP will be 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. Now fourth part is here given A equal to minus 1, D is equal to 1 by 2. Let the series be A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. A1 is equal to minus 1, A2 is equal to A1 plus D. The A1 is here minus 1 plus D is here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. A3 is equal to A2 plus D इक्वल टू -1/2 + 1/2 इक्वल टू 0. A4 is equal to A3 plus D. A3 is here 0 or plus 1/2 is equal to 1/2. The first 4 terms are of this AP will be -1, -1, 1/2 and -1/2 and 1/2, 1/2. Now homework exercise 5.1 question number 1, 3, 4 do yourself.